Happy Friday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Full disclaimer, it's nearing 4th of July, and I've got neighbors that are pretty excited about that. And so they are letting off the fireworks already. So let's see if we can get into today's segment without getting fireworks in the back of my background. I am calling this segment Reach Out and Touch Someone. Reach out and touch someone. If you're new to me, say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. Oh, before we go any further, time out, scourge. It's funny because I already did my woo-saw, my deep breath. I was at the beach today. You know, my days off are on Wednesday, but I am going to make some adjustments lately because I've been really working on helping some families in need and supporting those who have real estate needs. And so I've literally noticed that I worked 2 weeks straight and I didn't take a day off. So today I took half a day, actually 3 hours. I took 3 hours and went down to the beach. So, and that was nice. So I feel relaxed. But for those of you who have not had a chance to release some tension, move the air around, join me. Let's take a couple deep breaths. Breathe in and out. One more. Breathe in and out. All right. Go ahead and hashtag your mood down below. Now hashtag your mood. Let me know how you're feeling. How's your spirit? As for me, I'm feeling supported. Had some power calls, planning calls, collaborations, and really God, I mean, I'm feeling so blessed and loved and really inspired and encouraged by those of you who are really receiving impact from the work that I have been doing and sharing. Got a call late last night, tonight, from an attendee of one of my presentations. So lately I've been doing the Instagram for real estate pros or real estate professionals who just don't really understand it. And I'm really doing a just simple just navigation, how to management, and some creative ways to market your business and connect with your clients and customers. And we had so much fun yesterday that he had to call me and just tell me that by doing what I suggested, it has already had impact in his business, and he made 8 contacts with contractors for his business. And I'm feeling like, woo! Woo, 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 woo. Right? If any of you remember Arsenio Hall, that was the thing. Woo, woo, woo. Right? So I'm feeling really excited about that. Okay. And I've got a whole schedule of things lined up, and I'm now going to create either a landing page or a Google Calendar just for the Ready Set Real Estate events. So you can find out where I'm going to be, what I have coming, because I think I'm doing anywhere from 3 to 4 events, and I'll be doing courses for the youth. I'll be doing classes for the youth, and I'll also be doing workshop series for industry professionals who want to come out in a more intimate setting for a lunch and learn. And that's going to be fun. So depending on the time, it'll be lunch and learn or pastries and learn, right? So early breakfast type of thing. All right. Did I say that I was Lisa Puerto, also known as Super Agent, creator and founder of Many Cool Things, public educator and professional agent trainer? Okay, now you know. Okay, this show and this platform supports Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, where we teach, seek, and empower youth ages 11 and up with real estate literacy, terms, concepts, and careers as an alternate pathway to success. All right? You know, I had to drop that in there for my listening audience, my radio podcast listening audience. Shout out to all of you, and really appreciate you growing the channel. Want to say love you to my family and friends. Without you, there is no me. We're working. Okay. I'm in the section, so I'm calling this Reach Out and Touch Someone, episode 185. That means we're 15 episodes away on Shift Your Thinking for 200. And we are now 5 episodes away, or 4 episodes away from 100 on Ready, Set, Real Estate, which is our feature show. I'm in the section of Dean Del Sesto's Shift Your Thinking, 200 Ways to Improve Our Life, where he says, if someone treats you like a number, get their number. If someone treats you like a number, get their number. He says you can change the mood of someone in the blink of a try. You thought I was going to say an eye. He says, I'm sure you've noticed that the way people treat you can sometimes be hostile, demeaning, demanding, detached, or patronizing. But is there a way to eliminate such behavior? He says mastering the ability to shift others' moods begins by considering them. No matter how poorly someone treats us, there is always a way to draw out the beauty that is in them. He says, I've come to discover that there's always beauty under the ugly. Type that in the comments, beauty under ugly. If we can get their number in the midst of them trying to get ours, rather than getting wrapped up in someone's temporary or ongoing dysfunction, we can engage with their toxicity, du jour, and have some fun trying to create a circumstance that is better than the one they're currently in. When we choose to be free from others' emotional and someone's texting me. When we choose to be free from others' emotional grip, we gain the stability to contend with just about anyone's mood, no matter what the circumstance. He says it provides the space for us to think clearly, respond appropriately, innovate relevantly, and impact a life positively instead of being caught up in someone's negativity. I liked all those words. So you want to write these words down. Go ahead and drop them in the comments. Think clearly, innovate, impact, positive. He says we'll never be able to avoid being a target of dysfunction, right? He says since dysfunction is so pervasive. So it is best to be equipped to impact it and potentially bring healing to it. There is something quite satisfying when you can bring someone who is in pain to a place of peace or levity. All right, we made this short, sweet, and powerful. As you can hear, the fireworks are going off. This was a good one. Instead of letting someone get your number, meaning getting you aggy, getting you all riled up, getting your undies in a bunch, think about the impact that you can make, more of an opportunity to bring or inspire peace in someone else, because sometimes people don't even know that they are acting in dysfunction, that they're acting in toxicity, because that's all they've been doing, that's all they've been caught up in, that's all they've been magnetizing. And when you can be that beacon, light, positivity, innovation to inspire, to love on them, it's just that moment that you can create change in someone's life. All right, go out and touch someone. Go love somebody today. With that being said, that's my time. I love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking. Bye.